Hey, it's Tonya Rineer back with another pep talk to remind you that you are who you choose to be. Your words are constantly reinforcing your own beliefs about yourself. Take, for example, when someone asks you how you are doing today. How do you respond? Do you say, "I'm okay"? Or do you say, "I'm incredible, I'm grateful, I'm blessed"? Seriously, try each one on for size. Explore how it feels in your body and choose your response based on how you want to feel. Because the wonderful thing about your brain is that it believes whatever you say, and it will adjust your thoughts and feelings to match your words. So by choosing how you speak about yourself, you can choose how you feel about yourself. In any moment, you can choose to be exhausted, irritated, angry, frustrated, overwhelmed, bored, broke, struggling, or you can choose to be energized, excited, relaxed, curious, inspired, abundant, amazing, anything you want to be by simply deciding how you want to feel and then saying it out loud by putting the words "I am" in front of the feeling. So your brain may try to argue with you at first, but don't give up. Say it again and again, and each time it will feel more and more true until you truly are what you say you are. They're 2 little words, 3 itsy bitsy letters, but they give you more power than any other words in your vocabulary. That is the power of I am.